my expectation is that we're going to see volatility in the markets over the next 10, 15 years that will destroy our charts. I think because of the the options market and the prevalence of zero DTEs,
Mhm.
that we're very possibly going to see market down 50%, up 100%, 300%, down 50%, like just this whipsaw over periods of months for a while, that people will be like, I'm not even sure what to do. And
Hmm.
the amount of money that people will make because of the whipsaws will make it that people go, well, I have to participate in this. Like, I don't know what's going on, but the market just fell 50% and then rose 300% and then fell again another 75. Like this crypto
You
level
think
of
you think
profit.
the stock market is going to
I think the
experience
stock
that
market.
level of volatility?
Yes,
Fascinating.
I think that the unemployment, if we the unemployment ticking up, unemployment rate ticking up is the thing I've been waiting for.
Hmm.
And so that is, if that continues and we get to 5, 7% unemployment rate, which in true unemployment rate fashion, if you actually calculate it the way it's supposed to be calculated, I mean, you're in 30% unemployment rate at that point, like actual the population that's unemployed.
Hmm.
So that's worse than the Great Depression. And then you pair that with uh, the passive flows that come from those the guaranteed passive investment flows that come from there. If that starts pulling back, well, it's not suddenly going to turn back on. Like once those 401ks stop purchasing automatically inside of the markets, it'll be what, 18 months before that cycle ends and things come back. So then you have massive, this huge buying force that could just get swiped right out of the market,
Hmm.
or hobbled significantly. And then you tie that with the options, and then you'll have options that pay out just massively. So then you'll go like, well, forget the I got to get into the options space. People are making 100x on their on a trade on zero DTEs, every few weeks, every few months. So that will cause a push there, and then there'll be a need because people are going to be losing their jobs left and right. They're not going to have the money. Inflation, that's going to be the other things to mention. Inflation looks like it's bottoming, and it can make a higher high. Well, that's a recipe for just chaos. People are not going to know what to do.
Hmm.
They're celebrating that the inflation came down to 3% or whatever it is, and you go, yeah, I get it, but the rate of change for the inflation falling has slowed. And have you ever heard of a higher low and what happens after that? And so the next 18 months to 2.5 years, I think, can be bananas.
I'm game. Look, money is made with volatility. It's not made in perfectly stable markets. So let's go.